a builder from the UK and I want to renovate my French property myself. Other than seeking the correct planning permissions, are there any other regulations that might prevent me carrying out the work myself? And could this be a problem if I wanted to sell the property in the future?
Yeah, the last part of that question is the most important. No, there is nothing to stop you undertaking all or any of the works yourself, but there is a proviso here that if you're not a French registered builder with appropriate décennal insurance, which is a bit like a 10-year guarantee, then in the event of you carrying out those works and selling the property within 10 years of completion, you will be personally responsible for any shortfalls or errors or incidents that occur within the balance of those 10 years. So to give you an example, if you completed a project today and in 5 years' time you want to sell, then for a further 5 years, you will be personally responsible to repair, replace, or otherwise fix any problems that arise in the future.